Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering parts and making the first connections. Connect the fingerprint sensor TX to Arduino RX and sensor RX to Arduino TX. Make sure grounds are common. Power the sensor with a stable 5V supply and keep the 12V for the door strike separate to avoid noise. Once done, wire the relay into a digital pin and its common/no contacts around the strike power. These actions get you to a safe, testable hardware baseline before any code is uploaded. Now you upload firmware and enroll fingerprints. Open the library example, change software serial pins to match your wiring, and set the baud rate to the sensor's spec. This ensures reliable comms. Upload and open the serial monitor, then run the enrollment routine for each user, follow prompts and save ID. Once enrolled, test a match. When the sensor confirms, toggle the relay encode so the strike releases briefly. Doing this verifies both software and hardware are speaking correctly. Finish by adding safety and polish. In code, make the relay active for 1 to 3 seconds and add a short lockout to prevent rapid retriggering. Mount the sensor and strike securely and add simple pull resistors to stabilize inputs. If something fails, check the common ground first, verify TX/RX orientation, and watch the sensor LED or serial responses for error codes. Make sure the power supplies aren't dipping under load. Correcting wiring or power fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.